Hello everyone, I'm coming to you with my small Publix haul. Publix had the Purex 4-in-1 or the liquid detergent BOGO for $5.99. I picked up 4 of the 29 count pods, so I paid $5.99 for 2, paid $5.99 for the other 2. I used 4 of the Publix Save $1 on Purex and the extra savings flyer. Then I picked up 4 of the Thermacare creams. They were on clearance for $3.49. I had a coupon for $3 on each. I end up paying out of pocket $9.94. With tax it was $10.78. That's all I have for you today, but look down in the description box how I saved even more with Ibotta. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.